Today we're going to go over how the ground up lift comes in, the packaging, when you order it. As you can see, I already put this one together. The casters are separate, 2 bolts here, 2 bolts there. All the hardware comes with it. 2 bolts here and here. You can put these up front for narrower snowmobiles where these might not clear the skis, but I found it was more stable keeping it wide, and that way any cracks or anything you roll over, it stabilizes the snowmobile. This is the 1-inch riser block that he offers for a longer snowmobile. This snowmobile is 137 inches. It's a XRS Renegade 2021. So I'm just gonna show you how easy this is to roll underneath here and get it up where it needs to be. I just push this right underneath. It'll kind of center itself, and push this right up just about to the track. Come ahead, and you can actually see right where it needs to go. I center my casters in between the skis. Set my electric drill, do not use an impact. Set it on speed 1 and 1/2-inch socket, and we just go up with it. After I get it about that far, I just come back here and double check that my pans are even with the track, and move it over a little bit so they're the same difference on each side, and finish going back up with it. And that is how the up ground lift snowmobile stand works. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, contact Joe at Ground Up Lifts. Thanks.